In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Forms survey in just a few simple steps. Whether you've created a survey that you no longer need or you're looking to free up some space, deleting surveys in Microsoft Forms is quick and straightforward. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure you understand exactly what to do. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to free Microsoft 365 online. This is where you can access various tools offered by Microsoft, including Forms. Once you've arrived on the 365 homepage, you'll need to log in. Look for the Sign In button and click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to successfully access your account. After signing in, head over to Microsoft Forms. You can do this by selecting it from the list of available Microsoft 365 applications. If you're unsure where to find it, Microsoft Forms is often located among other productivity tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Once you've opened Microsoft Forms, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you can see all the forms you've created and those shared with you. Next, you're going to want to click on My Forms. This link is typically situated at the top of the page and will direct you to a collection of forms that are associated with your account. From here, take a moment to locate the specific survey that you wish to delete. It might help to scan through the titles or use any available search feature if you have a large number of forms. Once you've found the form you're ready to remove, click on it to open it. Doing so will bring up various options related to the management and editing of this form. Finally, to proceed with deleting the form, look for a delete option. This is typically represented by a trash bin icon or simply labeled as delete. When you click this option, you'll likely be prompted to confirm the deletion. Ensure you're certain about removing the form, as this action is usually irreversible. And that's it, you've successfully deleted your Microsoft Forms survey. Remember, this process removes the form permanently, so double check that you won't need any data from it before completing these steps. Keeping your Forms dashboard organized by removing unnecessary surveys can help improve your workflow and maintain focus on your current projects. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other helpful guides or tutorials.